Ready?
You don't have to take note, you just enjoy and relax the class. So we're going to use egg whites. They are room temperature. It's really important because we're going to make a meringue. And when you make a meringue, if the egg whites are too cold, you're not going to get the volume you need. Then you have caster sugar, classic sugar. And here, the powders. So for the powders, powdered sugar, almond flour, and cocoa powder. For the quantity, it's really easy. You have 100 grams of egg white, sugar, powdered sugar, almond flour, and that's it. And for the cocoa powder, it's just 20 grams. So it's really important to always have the same quantity of all the ingredients. You can make more if you want to. You can make the recipe with less ingredients, but don't use less than 50 grams of egg whites, otherwise it's not going to work. You need 50 grams of egg white to be able to make a proper meringue. It's really important.
We're going to Disney. The lowers. I can't do.